Marine Instruments was founded in 2003, 1 kilometer away from the sea. Our passion and dedication is to develop electronic equipment for its use on the marine environment. What was really revolutionary for this sector was the GPS. At the beginning, the buoys were only to track the position of bamboo grids that were left drifting in the water. In 2010, manufacturers made the difference with devices that detected the amount of fish aggregated underneath. We always try to focus on products that demanded high quality. We have a couple of boats to test our products in real conditions. We suffer a lot of seasickness with the engineers. We do not seek to make a lot of money by doing something that doesn't benefit others. With our clients, we aim for a win-win situation.
From the beginning of the R&D until the launch of the final product, we all have the same thing in mind, to make a very good, robust and reliable product. There is a very close working relationship between the person who designs the product and the person who produces it. The lapse of time between the idea and the product launch is very short. We are very fast when it comes to launching new and innovative products. Suppliers are highly integrated in our company, and we have a very close communication with them. We will keep on manufacturing the products in-house, within Marine Instruments. We do a lot of testing, so that we always have the absolute certainty that if a product leaves our factory, it will not fail. In every ocean, skippers have very different behaviors. We have a 24/7 customer service that allows us to collect information and to know how clients think in each one of these oceans.
The M3i is the most important buoy we have today in marine, somewhat like our flagship. And the M3i Plus allows us to see what kind of fish is underneath the buoy. It's no longer about knowing if there is tuna, but what kind of tuna it is. It was also a revolution for the vessels, because instead of going to the 10 or 20 buoys they had, they only went to those who had fish. The carbon footprint per ton fished is much lower. It's much better for the ozone layer. We all win. For years, Marine has been working on product diversification. The idea of the electronic eye is to have a camera system that monitors what happens on the vessel, so they can see where they're fishing, if they comply with the regulations and that are fishing what they really have permission to fish. Watching Man is a product completely different to what we were used to. It's for the recreational sector. It's like a very simple home alarm system, but for the boat. You have different alerts, like for the engine temperature, if you have water in the bilge, if you have shore power, a door sensor. In short, it gives the customers complete peace of mind. You also have an app which shows exactly where the boat is.
Teamwork is very important to us, and also communication between all the different departments is key. We need to be fast and flexible in our day-to-day. It is very important for us that all marine employees know the product really well. In My Shoes was conceived, for example, for that person from the administration department who is doing the invoices or the delivery notes of our products and never really saw a buoy. So the departments of R&D, sales, administration, purchasing or human resources, we develop the activity of a usual day at production. I believe that this helps employees' motivation, making them feel part of the entire production process, and also they have the chance to know the products we sell in Marine.
I think it is important to diversify with developments and products that surprise.
To keep recruiting talent.
If we are 100 people here, we must add up to 100 brains.
To work with enthusiasm, motivated, developing great projects, because the truth is that we have many cool projects.
At sea there are no roads, you go wherever you want, and here we have to think in a similar way.
I think the key is to stay passionate.
We don't have to be afraid of imagining things that don't exist yet.
It will allow us to keep improving every step of the way and continue on the cutting edge of technology.